shifting gears to uncover the hidden hazards lurking in our workspaces, the ergonomic risk factors that can silently be detrimental on our bodies and well-being. You can think of ergonomic risk factors as the undercover agents of workplace discomfort and injury. They're not always obvious, but their impact can be significant over time. Today, we are shining a spotlight on these hidden hazards so you can identify and address them before they cause problems. The usual suspects. Let's start with some of the most common ergonomic risk factors. Awkward postures. Remember that neutral posture we talked about? Well, awkward postures are the opposite of that. They're actually the positions where our joints are twisted, bent, or extended beyond their natural range of motion. Think about hunching over a keyboard, craning your neck to see a monitor, or reaching for objects that are too far away. These postures put stress on our muscles, tendons, and ligaments, leading to fatigue, pain, and even injury over time. Repetitive motions. Doing the same thing over and over again, we can wear down our bodies even if the motion itself seems harmless. Typing, clicking a mouse, assembling parts on a production line, these repetitive tasks can lead to overuse injuries like carpal tunnel syndrome, maybe tendonitis or tennis elbow. Forceful exertions, lifting heavy objects, pushing or pulling with excessive force, or gripping tools too tightly can all strain our muscles and joints. Over time, these forceful exertions can lead to injuries like back pain, herniated disc, or many other disorders. Contact stress. This happens when a part of our body presses against a hard or sharp surface. Think about resting your wrist on the edge of a desk while typing or kneeling on a hard floor. This pressure can restrict your blood flow, irritate nerves, and damage tissues. Vibration. Using power tools, driving heavy machinery, or even sitting in a vibrating chair can expose our bodies to vibration. Over time, this can lead to hand-arm vibration syndrome, which causes numbness, tingling, and pain in the hands and fingers. And lastly, the hidden hazards. Now let's dig a little deeper and uncover some of the common and less obvious ergonomic risk factors. Poor lighting. Inadequate lighting can strain our eyes, leading to headaches, fatigue, and difficulty concentrating. Excessive noise. A noisy work environment can disrupt our concentration, increase stress levels, and even contribute to hearing loss over time. Temperature extremes. Working in hot or cold environments can affect our comfort and performance. Extreme temperatures can lead to health problems like heat stroke or hypothermia. Psychosocial factors. Stress, lack of control over work, and poor relationships with colleagues can all contribute to ergonomic problems. Stress can lead to muscle tension, while lack of control can lead to frustration and poor decision-making, ultimately increasing the risk of accidents and injuries. Taking action. The good news is that we can take steps to mitigate these hidden hazards. Assess your workplace. Take a critical look at your workplace and identify potential ergonomic risk factors. Are there awkward postures you can correct? Repetitive tasks you can vary? Forceful exertions you can reduce? Make adjustments. If you identify any hazards, take action to address them. Adjust your workstation, use ergonomic tools, take breaks, or talk to your employer about possible solutions. Prioritize comfort. Listen to your body. Even if you're feeling discomfort or pain, don't ignore it. Address the issue early to prevent it from becoming a more serious problem. Advocate for change. If you see ergonomic hazards in your workplace, speak up. Talk to your colleagues, your supervisor, or your company's safety committee. Educate yourself. Learn more about ergonomics and how to create a healthy and safe work environment. There are many resources available online and through professional organizations. By staying vigilant and proactive, you can protect yourself from the hidden hazards and create a workspace that supports your health and well-being.